Hi everyone, welcome to Alpha Tech Motors. It's a quick video on a Nissan Juke. This one is a 60 plate, so that's a 2011 Nissan Juke. What we've got is the climate control is not working, so it doesn't matter what fan speed you place that on, it doesn't work at all. So my most likely first spot I would check would be the fuses, because let's say if this worked on a higher fan speed and didn't work on a lower fan speed, then I'll say it's more likely to be the blower motor resistor. In this case, I'll go for the fuses first, check the fuses. If the fuses are fine, then the next cause of this problem will be the blower motor itself, which would mean more work. So just bear with me 1 second, I'll show you the location of the fuse box. Alright guys, what I'll show you is where the fuse box is located. I'll use my key to pop this open. Right, if we pop this open, this cover on the passenger side, we're in the UK, so it's a right-hand drive, we'll get a little diagram back here. And where we want to really go is the fuses, this 15 amp fuse here and here, which that belongs to, you can see air conditioning and blower right there, if that focuses. Yeah, so they're the two 15 amp fuses here, that one and that one. Up here is a little tool to grab, so if you use the little tool there, you can use that to get the fuses out. But what I will do now is actually test the fuses with the ignition on. Just hold on 1 second, I'll be right back. All right everybody, so I've got my multimeter here. So if I turn that on, I'm testing for voltage, so I'll turn that on to 20 volts because obviously it's a 12-volt system. We start from the 2 going up, so I'll set that at 20 volts. Then using the red probe, that's what I'll use to probe the fuses with, and the black one is where I'll ground it. Luckily for me, I've got good grounding points around here, so I'm going to go in here to ground it. I need 2 hands for this, so just bear with me a second. Okay everybody, welcome back. So I've got my multimeter set there. What I'll do is I'll come in and I'll just test this. So if I probe this, the number changes. So I'll just show you the metal points I'm probing here. Right, and I'll test the top one as well. Yeah, so I'm going to show you the face of the multimeter while I'm doing the testing now. You can see voltage. As you can see on the top one, if I pop this here, that gives me good reading. That gives me a very good reading. Then bottom one, that gives me a good reading. That gives me good reading. So as I mentioned, if it isn't that, then the blower motor needs changing, which means one hell of a job. All right guys, once I source the part, I'll show you how to do that change. Thanks, like, share and subscribe.